kanimin. Bala udugang gaman kanimin. Dahas yodunin magavivara karamin. Navamanean soya.
Introduction. This project is to create a video clip for comparing most commonly used two programming languages called Java and Python. From this video clip, it conveys the use of the language, its features and the efficiency of each language. By watching this video, anyone can get a clear idea about the languages. First we will discuss about Java language. What is Java language? Java is an object-oriented programming language with a built-in application programming interface, API, that can handle graphics and user interfaces and that can be used to create applications or applets. Much of the syntax of Java is the same as C and C++. One major difference is that Java does not have pointers. However, the biggest difference is that you must write object-oriented code in Java. Procedural pieces of code can only be embedded in objects. In Java we distinguish between applications, which are programs that perform the same functions as those written in other programming languages, and applets, which are programs that can be embedded in a web page and accessed over the internet. Our next programming language is Python. In this section you will learn about Python. What is Python language? Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Its high-level built-in data structures, combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding, make it very attractive for rapid application development, as well as for use as a scripting or glue language to connect existing components together. Python's simple, easy-to-learn syntax emphasizes readability and therefore reduces the cost of program maintenance. Python supports modules and packages, which encourages program modularity and code reuse. Python is a remarkably powerful dynamic programming language that is used in a wide variety of application domains. Python is often compared to TCL, Perl, Ruby, Scheme or Java. In addition, some of its key distinguishing features include with Python language: very clear, readable syntax, strong introspection capabilities, Intuitive object orientation. Natural expression of procedural code. Full modularity, supporting hierarchical packages. And this features also include with Python language. Exception-based error handling. Very high-level dynamic data types. Extensive standard libraries and third-party modules for virtually every task. Extensions and modules easily written in C, C++, or Java for Python, or .NET languages for Iron Python. Embeddable within applications as a scripting interface. Next we will compare Java versus Python. It will help you to understand what are the major difference between those two languages. A programmer can be significantly more productive in Python than in Java. Differences and similarities between common programming idioms in Python and Java. Although it is intended for programmers who are making a transition from Python to Java, those who are making the move in the opposite direction can use it as well. Python and Java programs both compile to machine-independent bytecode, which can then be run on virtual machines, PVM and JVM, respectively, on host computers. Both languages support objects and classes, but Python, like C++, also allows the programmer to define free functions as well. Type checking in Java is done at compile time and in Python at runtime. Python code can also be tried out interactively within an interpreter, whereas Java programs must flow through an edit, compile, execute cycle. Using next session you can get a clear idea about comparison about Java and Python language. Here we are giving some examples to identify the difference between Java and Python. Programs and their execution. Programs consist of interfaces and classes. Interfaces and classes are contained in source files. Java extension. A source file compiles into one or more executable bytecode files. Class extension. Programs consist of modules. Modules in turn can contain statements, function definitions, and / or class definitions. Each module is associated with a source file, py extension, and possibly a bytecode file, pyc extension. Running a program. A Java application must first be compiled, as follows. Javac. Hello World Java. A Python program can be run as a script from a command prompt, as follows. Python hello world.py. Import statements. A package resource is imported using the form import package name resource name. The resource is then referenced without the package name as a qualifier. A module is imported using the form import module name. The resources of that module are then referenced using the form module name resource name. Using this video you will realize what is Java and Python and also about the difference between those two languages. Thank you so much for watching this video.